What's up, you guys? Welcome to another weekly vlog. As you can see, I am just chilling. I still got my bonnet on, and I don't care what Monique has to say. I'm going to wear my bonnet, and that's on period. But yeah, today I'm honestly just chilling. I've been lighting candles, doing some laundry. I read some books. I chilled out. This week was really different. I did not vlog as much as I usually do. I actually had the week off from my girls, and that does not happen. So I kind of just wanted to put down the camera and just live in the moment. So yeah, I honestly have really enjoyed this time. I really miss my girls, but today's actually Saturday, so they will be coming home tomorrow when you guys are seeing this vlog. But yeah, I just tried my best to enjoy myself without feeling guilty. That's pretty much it. Today I'm just going to be, as I said, just continuing to do some self-care. I really have to clean my like little makeup area, my like vanity area. So I will bring you guys along and show you guys what that's looking like, because it is a disaster. I also had some PR boxes and packages that I needed to get rid of. Oh, I got some candles. Oh no, I actually showed you guys that. Well, maybe you'll see it after this, after I'm done talking. Sometime through this video. But I did get some candles from Winners, which I'm really enjoying and loving. So that's something I'm excited about. I did go to Winners earlier this week, so I'll show you guys some footage from that. Going to Winners. Winners! Yeah, I like these. Candles! My fave. I'm so mad I got those ones at freaking Walmart now. That's a lie. I'm just gonna try these on. I don't know if I'm gonna like them, but we'll see. I feel like this is really cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. This is a really cute bodysuit. Super simple, floral. I feel like this will just be something cute to put on. I also really like this top. It's really cute, and it has like this tie-up detail at the side. Just really basic and cute. So I'm gonna get this. Just another super simple crop top. Like that. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's kind of like, I don't know. I don't know if I should get it, you guys. It's cute, but I don't know if it's cute enough. Ooh, I like this little set right here. This is really cute. I really like this. I think it's cute. I'm definitely gonna get this for sure. Alright guys, so I'm back home and I just want to show you what I got. I picked up this book from Amazon. I'm really excited to read this. I got these candles from Winners and this one as well. I got some lash glue from Walmart. What else did I get? Oh, I got this like planter from Winners as well. And then I really like this, the color of this hoodie. I don't really have a variety of hoodies, so I just picked this up. Nothing serious, just like a sage colored hoodie. What else? I got these like joggers. I thought those were really cute. And then just a bunch of like basic tops. Like there's a tube top here. I got it in white as well. I got this two-piece. It fits super cute. It's just like, you know, like a bra kind of top. It reminds me kind of Skims. And then this is just like another just basic top. It has like a ruching detail at the side. As you guys can tell, I've been loving this sage color, and another just basic crop top with like a pocket. What else did I get? I really like this bodysuit. The material is like just super duper soft, so I just thought this was cute. Just a little top to throw on. I never used to be someone that wears blue, but lately I've been loving how blue looks on me, so I got this blue hoodie. I just realized I got a lot of hoodies, but I also got this one. It's tie-dye. It says happy. It's super comfy. I just thought it was so me. Oh, I picked up this Born to Glow foundation. Not that I need any more complexion products, but I do want to do like a drugstore kind of makeup look for you guys. So I picked up these, and I actually heard that these are really good, so I got those. And then lastly, I just got this tie-dye Guess crew neck. So yeah, that's about it. That's what I got today. What else did I get? I actually got some lashes from Winners as well, but I don't know where those are right now. So that's my little mini haul for the day. So as you can see, this is a crazy mess. There's like a bunch of clothes over here. I have a whole bunch of makeup that needs to get reorganized. I don't even know what's happening under here. So all these brushes need to be washed. Like, it's a mess. Like, it is definitely a mess. There's a whole bunch of products in here. I got some new lashes, and I need to put these away as well. But yeah, it is gross over here. So I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse so you guys can see how I organize this, because this is not cutting it. And yes, I am still wearing my pajamas. I told you guys I'm just super comfy today, so that's what's happening right now. Alright guys, so the area is definitely much cleaner. I need to Windex this mirror, but this is how everything is looking. Nice and clean. I also cleaned my Alex drawers. They had a lot of makeup on it, but the key is to actually use coconut butter or coconut oil. It just combats the makeup and takes it right off, so that's nice and clean. I do need to organize my brushes. I have a bunch of them to wash. Let me show you guys the drawer. I put all my foundations in this one. Right, it's kind of hard to see, but these are all my concealers. I did not realize I had all these concealers, you guys. In this one right here, it's kind of a mixture of like blushes and setting powders. I didn't get around to cleaning the actual like containers, so I will do that probably tomorrow. But yeah, these are just like my setting powders. This one is my Sasha. Here's my Fenty one, and I have like I have a few Juvia's Place ones at the back there. This right here are some of my bronzers. This is one from Anastasia. And then there's some powder foundations from Fenty, my mineralized skin finish from MAC, and then this area right here are some blushes as well. Mostly these are my highlighters though, so these are from Juvia's Place. These ones right here, again, more from Juvia's Place. The liquid blush from Rare Beauty. And then this area right here is just like all of my setting sprays, primers. So here's my Hydra Grip primer. This one is the Fenty one. So that is thankfully nice and organized. I definitely need to go through this stuff. Here's just like a bunch of masks that I have. So my cellar water. In this drawer right here, I definitely need to organize this. This is just like where I keep my excess brushes that clearly I have not even opened. This is my lash drawer. Again, I definitely have to organize this, but I got these lashes recently from Winners. So there's like a bunch of lashes in here. So that is that. And then here are some glitters. And most of this drawer is like all my Juvia's Place palettes. And this drawer right here is basically most of my other palettes. Again, I have to organize it. There's more Juvia's Place ones over here. And then all of this, I can't really pick it up, but it's kind of hard to see. But pretty much all of this is like right here is like my Morphe palettes. And then over here are basically all of my nude lip glosses and lipsticks. And then back here, these containers. Okay, I can't really open it, but in these containers are like my colored lipsticks. And then this is where the girls put their little nail polishes. So that's that. I just realized I have a lot of nude lip glosses and lipsticks. So that's that. And then this drawer is just empty. And this is just like miscellaneous stuff that I need to organize. So your girl is super tired. I still need to fold some clothes. I also have to do this hair. It's blow dried, but it's just a hot mess. So I'm gonna like re-blow dry it just to touch it up. And I think for the rest of the night, I'm going to twist it. I'm wondering if I should do a 3-strand twist out. I don't know. But that's what I'm thinking right now. I probably will do a 3-strand twist out on this hair. I'm debating if I should film it. I kind of just want to chill and do this, but if I do film it, then that means I'll have content for next week. Influencer life. I actually have to go out tomorrow, so that's why I'm doing my hair, and it's kind of like a last minute plan. So I don't really know what to do to my hair. I also have to wake up early in the morning and film my Shein haul because I decided not to do it just because I want to twist my hair for tomorrow, and I don't want to put excess product in it to style it for the Shein haul and then not know what to do for my hair tomorrow. So I just decided to kill two birds with one stone. So I'm gonna twist my hair tonight, wake up early, take out my twist, film that, take off my makeup, redo my makeup to go out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also super excited because my girls are coming back home. I better get started because it's already 10 o'clock. So I will see you guys soon, depending on if I end up filming my hair. But if I don't, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, definitely make sure you're subscribed down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But for now, I'm gonna say toodles. Bye guys.